If you can't see it, it can still make you sick. Right now, there could be thousands of mold spores floating in your air, and they're not waiting for an invitation. For many homeowners, mold isn't just an eyesore, it's a silent invader. It hides in corners, drifts invisibly through the air, and can trigger allergies, breathing problems, and more. The worst part? By the time you notice it, it's often already spread. The good news? Getting rid of mold spores and stopping mold growth doesn't have to be complicated. In this video, you'll learn simple, effective, and proven ways to clear your air, protect your home, and keep mold from coming back. Get rid of mold spores in the air. You don't need harsh chemicals to tackle mold. Natural remedies can eliminate visible mold, one of the biggest sources of airborne spores. Start by looking for black, green, or white fuzzy spots in damp areas, like basements. On hard surfaces, such as glass or tile, try these eco-friendly solutions. Vinegar. Mix equal parts vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Spray the mold, let it sit for an hour, then wipe it clean. The acidity breaks down mold spores and stops them from growing. Next, tea tree oil. Mix 10 drops with 1 cup of water. Spray the mold, let it sit for a few hours, then wipe it away. Tea tree oil is a natural antifungal and antibacterial agent. Baking soda. Mix a 1/4 tablespoon with 1 cup of water, spray it on the mold, let it sit, and wipe it clean. Baking soda helps absorb moisture and prevent mold growth. These natural methods are safe, effective, and eco-friendly ways to keep mold out of your home for good. Place HEPA air purifiers in multiple rooms to effectively capture and remove over 99% of airborne mold spores. Choose high-quality units from a reputable store and follow the manufacturer's instructions for optimal performance. Position them in areas where you spend the most time to ensure cleaner, healthier air throughout your home. Install HEPA filters on air conditioners and windows to block outdoor mold spores. Keep AC drip pans and drain lines clean and dry, and watch for condensation on windows, especially in humid areas, to prevent mold growth. Call a professional if mold problems persist or cover a large area. Experienced mold remediation experts can locate hidden mold, even in walls or other hard-to-reach spots. They use advanced tools like air scrubbers and dehumidifiers to remove spores from the air, along with specialized cleaning agents to disinfect surfaces and prevent mold from returning. And prevent future growth. Use dehumidifiers to keep humidity at 50% or lower, preventing mold growth and reducing airborne spores. Place them in problem areas or use a whole house unit if the source is unclear. Dry wet areas within 24 to 48 hours to prevent mold growth. Wipe down bathrooms after showers, remove wet clothes from the washer promptly, and clean up spills or leaks quickly. Dry window condensation and fix its cause. Inspect and clean air ducts regularly to prevent moisture buildup and mold. Have them checked and cleaned every 3 to 5 years to keep airflow clear and dry. Keep your basement, kitchen, and bathroom as dry as possible to prevent mold. Fix leaks quickly, clean exhaust fans every 3 months, and ensure they vent outside. Check under sinks, in ridge drip pans, and around appliances for moisture, and make sure dryers and stoves don't vent into the attic. Avoid carpeting in basements, as it traps moisture and promotes mold. Use linoleum or concrete flooring instead to reduce the risk. Keep gutters free of leaves and debris to prevent mold growth. Clean and inspect them regularly, especially after storms, to ensure proper water flow and avoid mold spreading into your home. Leave wet shoes and clothes outside to dry before bringing them in. Hang them in well-ventilated areas to prevent mold and ensure they're clean and dry. Thanks for watching.